Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia X10 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, as home screen is for me, you want to press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. You will have this obnoxious sound along with a pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment it will disappear. There we go. Once it disappears, you can find your screenshots in your Photos application, and you can simply navigate to Library, and here you'll find a folder called Screenshots. And obviously in here you'll find just screenshots that I have captured over the time, and here's the one that I have captured on the video. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.